In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for Task Management 2026, Monday.com tutorial. 5 minutes. Let's get you set up quickly and confidently. First, head to the Monday.com website and click Get Started. This kicks off a guided onboarding flow designed to help you shape your account for task management, whether you're solo or working with a team. Next, enter your email to create your workspace. You can start with a 14-day free trial of the Pro plan, and there's no credit card required. Using a work email can make it easier to invite colleagues later and keep everything organized under one domain. Once you're in, create your foundation with workspaces and boards. Think of a workspace as the container for a department or project portfolio, and boards as the place where the actual tasks live. Give each workspace and board a clear descriptive name so everyone knows what belongs where. When creating a new board, you can start from a blank canvas or choose a pre-designed template. Templates are great if you want best practice structures right away, and you can customize them later. Blank boards are ideal if you already have a specific process in mind. Now structure your data so the board stays readable and actionable. Use groups to cluster items like by project phase, sprint, or priority. Then add columns for the data you'll track, such as status, date, and owner. Keep columns focused on what you actually use. Consistent naming and order make boards easier to scan and update. The status column is your progress heartbeat. You can customize it with up to 40 different labels, and color coding makes it easy to see what's on track or stuck. Common labels include to do, in progress, blocked, and done, but tailor them to your workflow and keep the list concise for quick decision making. To reduce manual work, set up simple automations. Use recipes like changing a status when a due date arrives or automatically assigning tasks when they're added to a group. Automations help you standardize processes, trigger notifications at the right time, and keep the board current without constant check-ins. Finally, add team members and set permissions to manage access. Decide who can view, edit, or only comment, and use private or shareable boards when you need more control. Clear permissions protect sensitive work and prevent accidental changes. That's the core setup. Sign up, create your workspace and boards, choose your starting point, structure with groups and columns, customize statuses, build helpful automations, and invite your team with the right access. You're ready to manage tasks in Monday.com with clarity and confidence.